Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we're uncovering how Boots uses a smart vitamin recommendation quiz to guide customers to the right supplements, and how you can build the same high-converting experience in minutes using Outgrow. Before moving to create a quiz, let's evaluate Boots' vitamin quiz to personalize wellness. When you land on Boots' wellness section, you're not overwhelmed with endless supplement options. Instead, you're guided through a simple, personalized quiz. Users answer easy, relevant questions like, which health quiz would you like to take? What is your biological sex? How old are you? Do any of these dietary considerations apply to you? Do you have any allergies? These questions help simplify decision-making and collect valuable zero-party data directly from the user. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Click on the Outcome quiz. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template. Outgrow has 1,000 plus ready-made templates with responsive designs and layouts, which will help you create your quiz quickly and easily. After selecting a template, you need to customize it according to your brand. On the Welcome screen, you can add a headline and a short description. For example, add the headline, "Which vitamins are right for you?" And the short description, "Your lifestyle, diet, and health goals can influence which vitamins your body may benefit from the most." Answer these questions to discover which nutrients might support your well-being. Now let's add a few questions inside this quiz to make it better and engaging. Here you can add similar questions like Boots in your quiz. Which health quiz would you like to take? What is your biological sex? What is your age range? Do you have any dietary restrictions or preferences? Do you have any specific health concerns or conditions? You can continue adding similar questions like these to better understand your audience and match them with the most suitable way to contribute. Now let's configure the outcome screen. Based on the responses, the quiz can display personalized results. Here are some sample outcomes you can add. Vitamin D support, vitamin B, complex boost, immune support, vitamin C and zinc, beauty nutrients, biotin and vitamin E. This is where engagement turns into action. Before showing the results, you can also enable a lead generation form. For example, you can ask for name, email address, etc. This allows them to capture supporter leads while providing personalized recommendations. Next, head to the Overall Design tab to customize the look and feel of your quiz. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, add image or video for background, and adjust font so the quiz looks clean, professional, and engaging. Next, head to each question slide and map every option with the respective outcomes, and do the same process for all the questions added. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your quiz. You can now share the live URL, embed it on your website, or include it in campaign pages, blogs, or email newsletters. And that's it. You've now created an interactive vitamin recommendation quiz using Outgrow, without any problems to drive meaningful engagement for your organization. Ready to build your own vitamin recommendation quiz? Start creating smarter, more personalized experiences today with Outgrow,